Task-based user interface. Basically, what is task-based user interface? That's the first question, right? It's a very important functionality which has been given in Siebel now. If you go to Redbox, if you read, have you ever gone to Redbox? It is basically used for renting the movies, right? These are Redboxes. They are in Walmart. Everywhere they are there. You can just go and just say I want to rent a movie. Interesting thing is, if you go there, it is very user friendly. When you go there, you see only two big buttons on this big screen, but 14 inches screen. There are only two buttons. There is nothing else you can see. The buttons are labeled big, rent a movie, return a movie. Even an old guy who has never used computers, who is from the non-microwave oven days, who was born in 30s, can also use this system very easily. Rent a movie, return a movie. Idea is very naive users can use it. Rent a movie, return a movie. You cannot do anything wrong. Rent a movie. Choose a movie. After rent a movie, button comes, choose a movie. He will choose. Okay? He chooses. Pay for the movie. Next. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल क्लियर आता है. Pay for the movie. Good. Movie is coming out of the जो machine vending area. Okay. Return movie में भी same ऐसे. Basically the point is user cannot make any mistake. The entire process is very guided and restricted. He is guided very well through the use case, through one specific use of the system. If there are 20 uses, all 20 buttons would have been available in it in the beginning, and user would have said I want to do this. He would have started from there, and step by step it would have taken him through the entire process, or through the entire step, all the steps. We can call it everything as process, but this is a use case. Through all the steps of the use case, and it would have helped him achieve that. In Siebel, is it TBUI? No, out of the box the way it is right now, the way you have seen it, it's not TBUI. It's very confusing. How to create an account? No, misuse of what? Something else used wrongly. It is when you go there, a lot of functionalities available, and so you're not guided. So in Siebel nowadays, there is a way that there are some items available in the home page, and they can click on it. The user can click on it and start the process. It will be guided and restricting him from doing anything else. That's the whole purpose. Guiding and restricting. It's not just a guide set of steps. It also restricts. He cannot do anything else. Same thing in Redbox. These things are called as TBUI. So TBUI is a technology available in Siebel to make the user interface task-based. As the name suggests, in this case it does suggest something nice, something more appropriate. That's it. You go with this knowledge to the project, you're good. How the TBUI items look like? हाँ जी, मैं आपको TBUI का ना दिखाना चाहता था एक्चुअली. लेट मी सी अगर मैं दिखा पाता हूँ तो. एक मिनट. तो ये ऐसे अवेलेबल होती है. The rep, he clicks this icon. In Siebel 8 it's available. He clicks this icon. It becomes available on the left hand side. He clicks here, and now system will guide him through the task. It's not big icons and all that stuff that I explained, but if you see, it is trying to restrict him. Click new agreement, next. Okay, next. He will enter whatever he is, then click next. You will, if you are working in TBUI, trust me, it will be a 1-year project for you just on TBUI. Getting this TBUI straightened is not a small task. It's for every requirement. Let's say there is an account management VA, there is a content management VA, there is a opportunity management VA, there is service request management VA. But you will be working on creating TBUI items for every use case that they have. Once they finalize the use case, it will be given to you. Then you will design this TBUI item, right? Okay, it's a lot of big deal. It's very big deal. It's not easy. Other thing is, I'm not sure, but I think these are all administration options. I know that iHelp is like TBUI. We'll talk about it now. Okay, it is like TBUI, and iHelp is 100% admin item because I've done iHelp work. Okay, so TBUI is probably like admin work. When your project is in TBUI, we'll see how much work is required in tools, if there is any. Most probably not. Okay, it becomes very easy. I have done iHelp administration from scratch by learning by myself, by looking into the bookshelf. You need to know how to look into bookshelf, where. Okay, we'll tell you where to look once the time comes. Okay, what is iHelp? This is iHelp. Oh, give me 1 second. Let me just cancel it. When the guy clicks on iHelp, is like help. It will tell you the steps, but it will not restrict you. It will only guide you, and guide you by giving a text on the left hand side. Not guide you, take you to the screen automatically. It will give you an icon to the screen where I'll show you. When once a user clicks on this iHelp, for that screen the iHelp items pop up in front of him like this. He clicks on create a new opportunity. Then this is not restrictive. This is just telling him text is entered in Siebel. He can see what's to be done, but it will not restrict him. It also gives him the hyperlinks to where to go. That's it. But next steps he has to consider, he has to do himself. It's not just guided. It's not even, definitely not restrictive. It is just text to help. Instead of giving it as in a separate book, you're giving it in Siebel. That's the only difference. But it's not integrated with Siebel very, very well. Just little integration is there. For every screen, iHelp items are attached. But no other integration. Whereas TBUI is integrated with the task, right? It doesn't let you go forward without doing something. Making sense? The TBUI is a much better technology, but TBUI use is different, right? iHelp is just for guiding, just for giving the context sensitive help. Actually, just for every screen. If new guy, the use is for the new guys. We're getting into iHelp. I wanted you to see the iHelp. This is basically for new join in the sales rep. If there is a new sales rep, the supervisor will say just go and do all the iHelp items so that you understand how to work with it. That's it. You know, he can save his training cost of the new sales rep, okay.
This is Siebel 8, right?
Yeah. Access groups, user lists,